My Don John roses bloomed. This is the first bloom, and I didn't really expect such a huge bloom. This is so awesome. And as I expect, the bloom is so velvety. Like, look at this, it's gorgeous. I'm so excited. I don't know, I didn't see a great roots for this plant. Hopefully they establish nice roots. And I have another bud that looks gorgeous, so I'm really happy. And I see they started producing new buds. And this is how my golden shower looks, and they also produce nice buds, so pretty excited to see how they look. But I think they are kind of a small bloom maybe, but I'm pretty excited, guys. So nice. And this is how my deck garden looks. All the plants are thriving. We had a heavy storm last evening, but they are still thriving. And I fed all these pots with some fertilizer, and that's really amazing. So I think I should start having that as a regular practice. So the annuals are blooming really nice, and I see the Gerbera daisies are also started blooming. And I trimmed this plant, and it is also coming as a bushy plant. So happy that I was able to have such a nice blooms. This is my hello. I don't know, only the blooms are staying back, and almost all the leaves except a couple of them are died, but I'm pretty sure that they're very hardy plant and they will come back. I transplanted yarrow plant to keep it smaller, because when I grow them in my sunny raised bed they grow very bushy. So with that they started producing buds, so that's really pretty awesome. And this is how my moms look, and I could see they are also started producing some buds. So maybe I get the blooms before fall, I don't know. Let's see. And look at my planter, guys. This is full. Basically I created this using some, this is the black cloth that you see. That's the grow bag I thought of throwing out, and then I thought, okay, let me repurpose it. And I bought all these individual plants and I made this arrangement. It's really so satisfying. I'm so glad that I did this. Look how gorgeous they are. And I fertilized them last week, and they are really doing great. So I think I should keep that in my mind. I should fertilize these plants whenever I plant them, which I many times miss it, and I don't see full bloom like this. Look at gorgeous. Look how great these calabrachas and petunias are coming. And this is the pot arrangement I made, and calabracha and this one is looking good. I think petunias still maybe needs more sun or water. They are still establishing, but really awesome. Let me show you a quick look.